Hey, side hustlers! Ever wonder if the IRS sees your passion project as a business or a hobby? Let's break it down. If your side hustle is making or even losing money, you need to know where the IRS draws the line. The difference can mean paying more or less in taxes. So what's the big deal? Businesses can deduct expenses like supplies, equipment, and travel. But hobbies? Not so much. The IRS has a simple question. Are you trying to make a profit? If yes, it's a business. If no, it's a hobby. Here are some key factors. 1. Profit motive. Are you aiming for profit? 2. Effort and expertise. Are you working to improve? And 3. Track record. Have you made money before? If you're serious about your side hustle, act like it. Keep records, promote yourself, and aim for profits. Unsure? Reach out to a tax pro, like me, Otto at Accent Financial Services. Keep hustling, friends. Need a bit more detail? Now that we've touched on how the IRS determines whether your activity is a business or a hobby, profit motive, effort and expertise, and track record, let's tackle some common misconceptions that can trip up even the savviest entrepreneurs. Misconception number 1. I don't need to worry about taxes until I make a lot of money. Wrong. The IRS doesn't care how much you make. They care about how you classify your income and expenses. Even small earnings need to be reported, and understanding whether it's a business or a hobby can have big implications for your tax situation. Misconception number 2. If I keep losing money, the IRS will eventually see it as a hobby. Not necessarily. Consistent losses can raise red flags, but they don't automatically reclassify your activity as a hobby. If you're actively trying to turn a profit and have a solid business plan, you're still in the clear. Keep detailed records and show your efforts to improve profitability. Misconception number 3. I can switch between calling it a business or hobby based on what benefits me more. Nope. The IRS looks at your activity over several years. You can't flip-flop between classifications to save on taxes. Consistency is key, and your actions should always reflect your intent to run a business. Misconception number 4. My hobby expenses are just as deductible as business expenses. Unfortunately, hobby expenses are much more limited. You can only deduct them up to the amount of income the hobby generates, and even then, the deductions are subject to various restrictions. Business expenses, on the other hand, can significantly reduce your taxable income. Understanding these misconceptions can help you navigate the tricky waters of IRS classifications. Remember, the goal is to act like a business if you want the tax benefits of one. Keep records, stay organized, and always aim for profitability. Need more help? Reach out to me, Otto, at Accent Financial Services. Let's make sure you're on the right path. Until next time, stay informed and keep hustling.